Hi splendid lovers, today we are making this very stretchy fondant recipe and this is perfect for all weather. Trust me, this is your go-to recipe. To make this, you'll be needing 1.5 kg of your icing sugar. To that, first you are going to sieve it. Make sure you sieve your icing sugar, it is very important, okay? Then after sieving, you are going to add in 1 tablespoon of your CMC. Now you are going to mix that together and set aside, okay? After doing that, you are going to prep your liquid mixture. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome to this amazing channel. Please subscribe and join the splendid family. And to my old and returning subscribers, you guys rock. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Now to the liquid ingredients. You measure at half cup of water. To that, you are going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of your gelatin. 1.5 tablespoon of gelatin. Please, I will also pin the recipe in the comment section, or you can check the description box. Now you want to dissolve this over a double boiler method, okay? Using a double boiler method rather. Now a double boiler method is basically you adding water to your pot, bring it to a boil, then you place your water and CMC mixture. Now you are going to measure out half cup of your glucose syrup. Add that to your water and gelatin mixture and allow it to dissolve as well. Trust me, this fondant recipe, once you try it, you are going to stick with it because it is easy to work with, no breakage, no sweating, and it's just perfect for all weather, okay? Now allow your glucose and your liquid mixture to melt, like dissolve nicely. Okay, once that is done, you are going to allow this cool down for a bit before you add it to your dry ingredients, which is your icing sugar and CMC. Add in the liquid mixture and you are just going to start mixing. Mix. Once it starts to form a dough, you are going to transfer to your work surface because that's where you are going to finish up the kneading and every other thing. So at this point, it is looking funny and it is looking as though your liquid ingredient is not enough for this dry ingredient that you have. Okay, this is the trick. You need to knead this properly. Okay, you need to knead it properly and you are going to achieve a perfect result. This is just the perfect recipe. All you basically need to do is keep kneading until you have properly incorporated all your dry ingredients, and this is what you are going to have. Now look at this fondant. It is so stretchy, like you can easily work with this. Can you see? Can you see how this fondant is? This is the dream of every baker. Like if you want to work with fondant, this is what you want to have. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you have not like the video, yes, give it a thumbs up. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so, and I will see you all in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.